Umintri rangba kajalau Conrad ke Sangma habai cringe kelat pathai khubor haga khatnyau trik uyayong arjar arpulai ulai thu baka Sorkar jala shen kansashong Jingialang banyathir yatai sani bha hakabai deb kajingdawa narilung khasi bat janta ban pentre kam yuk snem ubashakmat yaka roster system. Conrad kongkal Sangma ulong baka Sorkar kan sekot kerpang yakni Jingialang kenang banyo Bishar Bniah ikikot kisla yaka hukum jong kaying Bishar Meghalaya High Court bat hadin kani inselumpat Jingialang jong kising san perthai beper kinongelam shnong ban panjing mot naki hashwa ban shim yakanu karai.
Yeah, so we are in fact just working on that, and we are discussing with all our team members, our officials. We all have to appreciate that this is a very complicated subject. We also have to appreciate that it is a very sensitive subject. This is affecting a lot of people. So hence, we need to ensure that while we try to resolve this issue and move forward, we need to take all stakeholders on board. And hence, the process of discussion and consultation will start. We will be soon calling the meeting. Within this week itself, we'll be having an internal meeting of the government, and it will take some time for us to go through all the documentation paper, the court orders, the proper interpretation of all of that. And after the discussion takes place, we will expand it further to political parties, then we'll further expand it to stakeholders, and then after taking everybody on board, then we will figure out how we should move.